Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm doing my first makeup tutorial because I've got so many DMs on Instagram that how I do makeup and what I prefer using on my skin. So guys, today I'm picking a very basic makeup which I usually do when I go to office or when I go out with my friends to a coffee shop or to cafe or to restaurant. Basically to hang out with my people. So you can see I've already put on my liner because I can't make a video and put on my liner because it's a very, you know, it should have a very good finishing. So apart from that, I haven't applied anything on my face, anything. Right now you can see my marks and my scars also you can see. So my skin is very nude right now. This is my real complexion and this glow is real. Some people complain that I use a lot of makeup on my skin, that's why it's very glowy. So my skin is naturally glowy, but I use highlighters and all to enhance it. So as you can see, I've already done my liner. So secondly, I'll go with the brows. I prefer very thick and very black brows because I don't like very thin eyebrows. Yeah. So uh, today I've applied a very thick liner. It depends usually upon you that which kind of liner you want to put. You want to keep it very thin or you want to keep it dark, or you want to keep it you know catty eyes. It's totally depend upon you. After that, I put on my mascara. I want to show you. Some girls usually use fake eyelashes, but I haven't used fake eyelashes in my life till now because I don't know I don't know how to use them, and secondly, my eye lashes are already very big, already very thick, so I don't find it very necessary to put a lashes. Apart from that, I'm going in a function or oops, sorry guys. I'm going for any function or so. So here is my lashes. My lashes are completely done. So guys, I prefer doing my eyes because I think eyes need to be done before. After that, your face should be done. It completely depends upon you want to do it eyes first or you want to do your makeup first. You can use, guys, you can use a little bit of shadow as well, which goes on your dress. Today I'm using this orange, little bit of tangy orange shadow on my eyelids, because I think that this go well with my top. So guys, kindly do not judge me because I'm not a very hi-fi makeup artist or a very hi-fi makeup advisor. I'm a normal person who loves to experiment different makeup tricks and different makeup styles. So kindly do not judge me on the basis of this video. This video is just for fun and for people like girls who are really interested in, college girls who are really interested in doing makeup but they don't have any idea how to start it. So now my eyes are completely done. As you can see, it is completely optional to you if you want to apply kajal and you want to make your skin you want to make your eyes look bigger, but I think I don't want to apply kajal today. So now I'm starting with my face. I'm applying this concealer, MAC concealer, to hide my uh, uh, pimple marks. I have little bit of pimple marks all over my mm, all over my face, so I am just concealing them, you know. uh, Dab, dab, dab. So guys, if you notice, I've already told you in last time in my previous video that I don't use I don't use a base and foundation and all. I just use my BB creams and that's it. One advice I want to give you guys is your neck should match your face color. Sometimes I see many girls, their face is quite fairer and their neck is not matching with their face foundation. So guys, kindly do not do this. Your face color should match your your face color should match your neck color. You need to dab it, completely. You need to dab it on your skin that it absorb, and there is no, now you can see there is no marks and scar visible on my face. So this is it. After that I'll use this BB cream which I usually use on my skin, a little bit, just to give it a smooth texture. Yes. A smooth texture to your skin. Yeah. Oops. Finally it's done. So as you can see guys, I don't use very high product products. I am not a very makeup kind of a person. I just use normal products and I just want to look my, basically I just want to look like my skin glows, and I don't like to be absorbed in makeup. So after applying the BB cream, I directly come on a compact. This compact I'm using is Maybelline New York's compact on my face, so that all my it's very hard to, I don't know how these makeup influencers and their makeup artists make videos and do their makeup and keep on talking. It's very difficult to do. I'm doing for the first time. So you can see guys, each part of my face is even. One thing you have to keep in mind that your compact or your concealer should, you know, absorb in your skin completely. There should not be any patches, or there should not be any, some part of your skin is fairer and some part of your skin is darker. You should have to pay like a little bit attention on it. Yeah, so I think it's done. I think it's done, guys. So after that, I love highlighter. As I've told you guys, I love highlighter. So I use highlighter to, you know, highlight my cheekbones basically. So basically, mostly I use this Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio. I just want to show you guys this. Yeah, so it has a very good, you know, very good texture and very good shine. I use it every time I go out, like every time, because currently I'm obsessed with this highlighter. So it is basically to highlight your cheekbones as well as to give a this cut to your face. You can use it on your nose also. You can use on your chin as well. You can use this on your forehead as well. Yeah, so basically depend upon you. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, you are completely free for the options. So apart from that, you guys can use this blush also. I'm not a very, every time I don't use this blush, and I'm not a blush person, but for you guys I'm just trying it to show you. It is also completely optional for you guys. You want to use it or you don't want to use it. And if you want to use it, you have to apply it on a very minimum quantity. Sometimes I see girls that their cheeks are very heavy and their cheeks are red. So you can see I've applied it in a very normal amount, and it is not even visible. So when you are going out casually, you don't have to apply it very much. Or you are going in some party or in a marriage function, then you can apply it. Yeah, so now I think everything is done, and I just want to show you from this is very simple tricks, very simple makeup. Everybody can use it at their home. Lastly, I just want to apply my lipstick. I can't go out without a lipstick. Lipstick and liner are my basics. Even if I don't apply anything on my face, my liner and lipstick are must, because I think it's add a very, you know, complete look to my skin and my face. So I'm obsessed with lipstick. I have many shades at my home. I prefer using MAC and Lakme. So right now I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5. It is coral date color. And basically it's a mixture of pink and orange. It's a very nice shades. And it is not also very heavy like you see sometimes red, maroon and wine colors are very heavy to carry, and we cannot use these colors in normal day to day life. But these color is coral date and nude. One more shade I have of Lakme 95, that is nude touch. And these two colors are so light and so, and you can use these colors anytime, every time. So you can see guys, I'm ready. I'm completely ready with my look, and yeah, I'm ready to go out. Thank you guys, thanks for watching me. Kindly give me your suggestions and tell me how do you like my video in the comment box. Thank you.